Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today, and in today's video we are talking about Coinbase and how Jim Chanos actually shorted Coinbase and he's calling a big dip in price. Remember, this stock is already at $185 at a 12 damn PE, and he's saying he is short Coinbase. So in this video, we're going to respond to what he said and what do we think about Coinbase, because I want to give you my perspective and then I want to see what he thinks about Coinbase. So right now, I already have a 10% position in Coinbase, but in my mind, I still have this as a more speculative bet. I'm not 100% certainty where Coinbase is, because even if you ask the CEO, what is Coinbase? What do they do? Where do you see it in 5 to 10 years? He couldn't even answer that question. Like, he doesn't even know where his business is going to be. That just puts it on the more speculative side for me, but still, I'm super bullish on Coinbase and the business model and what they do. So let's get into the video. Let's listen to what Jim has to say. But before we do, guys, can you please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm always providing you guys with so much new content. So let's go.
Coinbase is what I'm kind of talking about. Coinbase is what we would call one of the bubble stocks. Obviously,
he called this a bubble stock. Like, what? Think about this. Coinbase is at a 12 damn PE right now. He is calling this a damn bubble stock. Can you believe that? I couldn't even fathom that. Look what the results of revenue growth, 140%. 500% in 2021. And we gotta remember, this business is actually producing cash. It's not one of these bubble stocks that maybe they become profitable in the future or 5 years out from now, 10 years out from that. No, profitable right damn now. Over $10 billion in cash. And this is a company with a strong balance sheet as well. Over $7 billion in cash and only $3 billion in debt. So you can see how this business has no issues when it comes to their balance sheet right now. And the gross margins are just insane. 100% gross margins with 57% operating margins. Those businesses like that just don't grow on trees, man. It's so hard to find businesses like that.
It's got a unique market niche as the pretty much the only public crypto exchange. And consequently has the valuation.
Why do you think it's the only public crypto exchange? And that is really key. This is one of my actually theses about Coinbase, is that they have a regulatory moat. Coinbase right now is based in the US, biggest US crypto exchange, right? So as they're regulated by the US, that grants institutions to feel safer actually putting money into Coinbase, as they have one of the most institutional investors, and you see institutions putting so much billions of dollars into Coinbase because it has all that regulatory scrutiny already. They scrutinize it, they're backed by regulators. So actually the regulatory moat makes it so one of the only public crypto exchanges, and that's probably one of the reasons why, because it's well regulated.
To go with it. But we think as competition increases amongst the exchanges, you're going to see fee compression.
And that's the main bear case for Coinbase, is that they generate over 90% of their money from transaction fees, right? So the more you transact in Coinbase, the more fees, the more money they get. So that's the biggest bear argument, and there's so many other competitors. I'm not gonna lie. There's FTX, there's Kraken, there's Gemini. There's so many other competitors. There's Binance. The one thing I like about Coinbase is that it's usually at the top of people's minds. When you think about crypto, especially as a beginner, it has majority mindshare, Coinbase. You think about Coinbase first, just starting out, just starting your position. So as people want to get used to the crypto market, I feel like they go to Coinbase first because the platform is just so easy to use. The app, like, it's just really easy to use, really easy to sign up and get started. That's one of the moats I see from Coinbase. On top of that, they have the brand name. I think the brand name of Coinbase is very strong right now. When people talk about crypto and trying to get into it, people really think about Coinbase first.
And as it is, Coinbase will probably not be profitable this year with a $40 billion market cap.
That is big talk. He says Coinbase won't be profitable this year. He's saying that all because the competition is coming, but I feel like Coinbase haven't even got in the door yet. They're opening up their own NFT market. They've been actually transacting with Shopify. They're getting into more payments. They're getting into more cross-border transactions. They're actually reaching globally now. What else are they doing? They're doing so much new things. They have custody, they have staking. They actually have Coinbase Pro, so a lot of the revenue, or they're trying to get more revenue into people actually getting onto Coinbase Pro. They have majority of the crypto coins. They have the most wide-ranging altcoins, so that's providing them with a lot of opportunity as well. They're actually working with MasterCard, and they're working with, like, Coinbase is doing everything, and this is just the beginning. They have a venture arm where they actually invested in more than like 100 different businesses. They actually have investments in OpenSea. So people are kind of undervaluating their investments in all of these actually crypto markets. They're actually doing DeFi. They have so much room to grow, so much opportunity in front of them. What do you think about Jim Chanos actually shorting Coinbase? I want to hear your comments on it. Tell me what you think about Coinbase. Is this a short? Do you see a bull case, a bear case for this? I want to hear your opinions because I know a lot of people hate Coinbase, hate the crypto market because they don't believe in crypto or whatever it is. So guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll get back to you in the next video. Peace.